Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to run C or C++ programs on our Android device. Please watch this video till the end. To run the C or C++ programs on our Android device, we have to first download an application from the Play Store. Let's move to the Play Store, and here in the search bar we have to type any application name, that is Turbo CD-ROID. Turbo CD-ROID, and hit the enter. And this is an application which converts the C or C++ programs into the machine readable language. Okay, this is compiler name, and let's install this on our device. And it is going to be downloaded. After downloading, I will open it, and I will run a simple C language programs on this application. And let's open, and let's continue here, and let's press OK, and it is opening. Okay, this is the user interface of this application, and here you can enable the keyboard. And okay, and this black portion is just for touchpad, and we can access here. This is the mouse. We can see here on the screen mouse is running from this black portion. Okay, and let's open a new file from file, and here new. Okay, and let's press enter, and this is from this touchpad black portion you can open. Okay, now our new file is opening, has been opened. Okay, let me just run a simple C language programs on this file. Okay, and just yes, let me just write the header file as include stdio .h. This is the first header file. Let me just put this mouse pointer here, and then let's write the next header file with include, and here inside this angular bracket you can type here, so you can move just by pressing here. Let me just type here. Okay, ponio .h. These two are the header files, and let me just write the void main, and let's start the curly bracket. And opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket, and let me just type the code here. I am just going to add two numbers, integer type numbers, a which is just, this is just demonstration. You can run any programs written in C language or C++ language. A equals to 3, and similarly the next integer is b equals to 8, and let me just print its sum. Okay, printf the sum, and equals to, okay, here we have to write down the format specifier name %d, and here in place of %d I am going to put its sum, which is just a plus b. And here is the void main, and no need to return any integer value. and let's write the here get CS to hold our output for sometimes. Okay, and this is our simple C language programs, and let's just run this. Here is the run, or you can see here is the directly run, okay, from the bottom of this window. And let me just go here by using the mouse, run and run the programs. And here is one error. And how is the error? Function printf. Okay, here is the little bit mistake in the typing. This is not, we have to write down the print. Okay, printf, print, and yeah, we have to start the, and let's run these programs. Okay, finally our program is successfully run. Here the sum equals to 11 is appearing on the screen, and you can press any key to return to our main program. Okay, this is the way of running, or this is the way of compiling the C or C++ programs in Turbo CD-ROID Android application. This was for today. Thank you all of you for watching this video.